guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deanna for those of you that are new. So today I am showing you how I get my voluminous go-to beachy wave curls and like how I get that teased hair look without so much teasing. I feel like when I do use a wand and curl my hair, I do use a wand. You will see everything I use and I will link everything down below for you guys. But when I do wand my hair, I like to have more of a beachy, messy wave look that kind of looks teased. And right now it's kind of looking a little too, I don't know, it's not looking as messy enough for me, but you just gotta play around with it. I think it's so fresh because I just curled it and my hair is clean. Listen till the end because towards the end I show you how to make it more messy. And make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. If you're not already, give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below what other videos you want to see. I will give you guys a 360 of my hair throughout the video. You'll see it. I did it when I was curling it, but this is how it's looking right now. And I absolutely love it. And if you guys want to see how I get this voluminous beachy wave look, then let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we are gonna put our NuMe, NuMe wand on the highest temperature, which is 450. And I think this is an 1.25 inch wand. I will link everything down below for you guys. So we're gonna wait for that to heat up. And as we wait for that, I did wash my hair yesterday. I've been doing really well with like training my hair and not washing it as much. So this is my hair natural. So because it's clean, the trick with getting voluminous beachy waves, you wanna put dry shampoo, you wanna put products in your hair. I'm not gonna put as much just because I really want my hair to feel clean. And also, I'm gonna share with you guys my favorite products. The Amika dry shampoo and the volume and matte texture spray are still my ride or die favorites. I'm obsessed with these. So they just feel like nothing's in your hair, smells amazing, and it just feels clean. I've been trying the Kérastase refreshing dry shampoo because I do use now Kérastase shampoo and conditioner. I definitely feel like something's in my hair when I use this versus these. And also another great texture spray, Fave 4 Texture Takeover Oomph Enhancing Hairspray. It's texture spray from, I know, Jessie James Decker. I think this is her brand, yes. And I'm obsessed with this. It smells great. It feels like something's in your hair more than the Amika. So if I'm like, my hair is dirty, I can wash it within like a day or two. I would go in with this to be even more intense, but I think I'm gonna stick with these. So let's just put a little bit of dry shampoo. Again, my hair is clean. I'm just putting this in to give me more texture, more oomph, and also I feel like it holds curls in like longer when you put products in your hair, whether it's dry shampoo, gives it like more grit, dry shampoo or texture spray. I feel like when your hair is clean, it's harder to curl it and get that volume. So you do want to have dirty hair. So because my hair is clean, we need to put a little bit of dry shampoo in and then just like work it in. I don't need it like for grease or anything, so I'm not like really going ham, but go crazy with this because this is the key to making your hair have volume, texture, and hold that curl. Okay, so I'm just putting like all my products over here. Sorry about that. Just gonna brush through my hair because you wanna get all the knots out. And now I'm just going to, I like to just break it up in 2 layers, just the bottom layer and top layer. It's a lot of hair. I don't like breaking it into a million different sections. Okay, so I have a good amount of hair on the bottom. I'm just gonna take my wand and I'll get pieces around like this size and always away from the face. And then when I let it drop, I hold it, it's hot, and then just kind of let it drop. We're gonna brush through it, but you will see how it'll look. Also, with every curl, I go in the same direction, which is away. I don't mix it because I find it can look, I don't know. I just personally like everything away from the face. Also, when I have it wrapped on, I'll wait, like, I don't count. I just kind of, I don't even feel it to see if the heat went through. I feel like I've been doing this for so long that I just know. But if it's a thicker piece, keep it on for longer. I probably keep it on for 10 seconds or a little less. It depends on how thick the piece is. I'm not measuring each piece as I go, but you get the drift. And then sometimes I'll just go back in and create like more curls, like on the top half of this layer, because I don't section it like that much. I just literally put my hair into 2 sections, and I'm not perfect with it because we're not looking for perfect curls. We want that beachy waviness, which we will make look less curly towards the end. And again, sleeping on it is game changer for me. Like, tomorrow I'll like my curls better than right now. I also like it way better when my hair is more dirty, I guess. Has more product in it. But feels better when it's clean, if that makes sense. Okay, so for this side, we are going to do the same thing and put the curl away from our face. Oops. I'll just catch it if it ever falls. And I leave, also I meant to say, I leave about like that much out at the end. I don't curl that, and I don't start from the tip top. I'll kind of just leave like the tip, like the top of my roots. I'll leave a little space over there and space at the end. And when you let it drop, you can kind of pull it if you want to just like brush through the curl right then and there. I don't use a brush, you'll see what we do, but you can just like pull the curl to leave it less curly, and it'll make it more like of a beachy wave. Also, if you feel your hair doesn't hold curls that well, I feel like I don't even really need to put product in my hair. When I curl my hair, I don't need to put hairspray or texture spray in it. I'll put texture spray if I want more volume, more grit, but if you feel you have really straight hair and it's hard to hold curls, what I would do is when the curl drops, hold the curl, get a bobby pin and pin it in that curl. And then once your hair is like not as hot, you take out the pins and then like brush it out. I've seen people do that and it looks like a great trick. Maybe I'll try it out for like a special occasion where I need my curls to like really last and be perfect all night and like make it even bigger. But that's definitely a great trick to make your hair more voluminous, especially if you have straight hair and it's hard for you to hold a curl. Also, if your hair is naturally really curly, I would suggest blowing it out straight and then curling it. If you need to straighten it before you curl it, then do that. But maybe do it in different days, because I feel like straightening your hair then curling it is a lot of heat and it might be hard to hold the curl after straightening it. But I swear, it's different for everyone's hair. It's crazy. Bottom layer is done. I'm not gonna comb through it yet. I am going to put in the Amika texture spray on the bottom layer. Don't usually do this, but for the video, I want it to be nice and voluminous for you guys. So let's just spray, not too much, but it feels like nothing's in your hair and it smells amazing. So again, I'll link everything down below for you guys. We'll just put like that amount. And I'm not doing, you can do each individual curl as you curl it, but we want that beachy wave, not that like crimpy hairsprayed curl, you know? So what I do is I put the top layer down. I kind of just split it in the back, whatever part you want. I like a middle part. And then to give it more volume, you can flip your hair to the side. But what I'm gonna do is just combine, like I'm keeping the bottom curls separate. I'm not re-curling them, but like trying to combine those curls together and make it look like one. will show you how I do, as I call it, the money pieces. I have like this frame right here, that blonde frame. So I will show you how I do that piece because it's the most important piece. But this piece right after the frame, I'll do it like wrapped around twice or something and really pull. And then for the money piece, I wrap it around once and I just move the wand up and down kind of, and then I just drop it. I will show you, I go back in, I will show you at the end how it looks. I go back in and just go over a few pieces on the side before I move to the other side, so no curl is like stuck in that form or like the way it's curled. I don't know if it actually makes a difference, but I'll just go over those pieces. I can't wait for the end when I can like brush through everything with my fingers. And now for this side, you get that back piece again and just do the same thing. This side, I'm just doing the same thing. Here's the money piece. The money pieces are the most important part because that's the frame of your face. And if my money piece didn't look good that day, then it's a bad hair day for me. Also, sorry if I'm making faces. I literally always make faces. It's kind of funny. I get it from my mom. I used to watch her get ready when I was a little kid. She'd always make this face doing her hair and makeup. And now that's me. Okay, so now I'm gonna take a piece to connect both sides in the back. And with this, I'm gonna go under instead of over, like how I've been doing on the sides, because on the sides I want it like higher up. But this, because it's the back, it will give it more volume if you go under. And if you see, you let it drop, you see, like you want it to have more volume back here. Of course, you can go in and tease it. But that one curl will bring it so the two sides come together. Guys, could you imagine me with short hair? My boyfriend always asks me to cut it. And I just, well, obviously right now I look crazy because the curls. I just can't cut my hair. Nope, I just can't. But okay, so this is how it's looking. I'm going to kind of like flip over. I always do this. I'll put it in a bun because we want the curls to kind of fall, but we need volume at the same time. So I'll show you what I do. So just like putting it in the bun and letting it drop makes it look a million times bigger and better. But I need to go in and fix some of these curls and add more because a lot of them just fell a little bit with the way I was just playing with it. And I do this all the time. I go back in, add a few more. You know, your hair comes the best when you're not filming and when it's something that isn't important that you're going to. When it's something important or I'm filming, like right now, it doesn't curl the way that I like. Of course, because why would it, right? Why would it? We need to definitely add more volume. That's the problem. See, the problem with me is I love the teased look. Don't like the process of teasing my hair because I don't want knots, but I guess we're gonna do it for the video. So I have this teasing brush from Fave 4. What you can do is take that back piece, the one that we curled, and just tease by the root. This is when I need my mom because she just is a teasing master. And just tease that back piece. we can tease the sides, but I'm like kind of happy with the sides. But I'm giving you tips on adding more volume. I'm not going crazy right now with the back piece. If it was like my wedding day, we'd be teased. Honestly, it's doing nothing. It's doing nothing. Mom, if you were here, you'd tease my hair and it would just look so much better than what I'm doing. Okay, gave it some messy volume, right? Now, we're gonna take our texture spray and spray it in, like, I like to go under so it can like lift up my hair and then go over in the back. We have a little tease in the back. Mom might be proud. Mom would be proud. Okay. Now, flip the hair again. Do that bun because it's just what I do every time I curl my hair and let it fall. And I feel like because I focus more on my sides looking bigger than the back, that's why it looks more voluminous on the sides. Also, curls I feel right now look curlier than they normally do because it will fall naturally. But to me, like, this is my favorite beachy, wavy, voluminous look. I guess I'll do a 360 of my hair. Let me move this chair. Okay, so I like hair looking messy. You can like kind of mess it up on the sides. This is how the bottom looks. Don't mind my sweatpants if you see them. We'll give you guys a 360 of my hair. Oh, I always do this and add like a kind of more of like a messier, see how it holds my hair when I do this because of the texture spray? So kind of like just go like this in your hair to make it messier, bigger, more wavy. Okay, so that is how I get my voluminous, beachy, curly waves. I don't even know what I'm calling it, but I feel like it adds a bunch of volume. I mean, if you saw my hair before this to now, a lot more volume, and there are things that I can do to make it even more voluminous, but I'm not gonna do it just because I don't want all that product in my hair. But this is how we're looking. I really like how it turned out. I'll like it better tomorrow when I'm not filming and I wake up and it'll look better. But I could definitely add more curls. I'm just not going to because you see how it gave me that like teased look, and it just looks beachy, voluminous, bouncy. I don't even know what else. You guys tell me. You guys might hate it. I feel like my hair, it looks the same but similar. It looks similar but like feels different than when I usually curl it. I don't know why. I feel like sometimes I can get better volume than I did tonight, but I think because my hair is clean, I have to do more to get more volume, you know? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will link everything down below in the description. Again, make sure you guys are subscribed if you're not already. I don't know what I was just doing. A little dance. I don't know. Make sure you guys are subscribed if you're not already. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below what else you want to see from me. I am filming a few other videos right now. I'm going to film like my must-have Holy Grail favorites that might be up before this, so definitely go check that out. Yeah, and make sure you follow me on Instagram, TikTok, all that good stuff. I created some TikToks tonight, and don't mind like my rash on my chest. I think the lighting, I'm overheating, I'm getting a little red. Who knows what it is. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.